Ugh. We squaring up right now. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Damon, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we are back and we are watching more Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man Episode 7, The Taste of a Kiss. So, last time, we are stuck in the hotel and everybody's out to kill Denji. So, the devil that has taken over the hotel and has our crew trapped in a genjutsu, basically, in an illusion where they can't escape. Up is down, down is up. Well, not really, but they're stuck on the 8th floor, essentially, and they believe time is also frozen where they are. And the only way to get out of this predicament is if Denji dies. So now we have our crew, Kobani and Arai, especially Kobani being uber annoying in that last episode. So I don't know. They have to give her a good redemption because she did not have a good first impression. So hopefully we get some good character development, more screen time from her, and build her character a bit more because wasn't a good first showing. But Aki stood up for Denji. Well, I don't know if it's really standing up, but he was in favor of not killing Denji, like the only one in the end who was in favor of not killing Denji, because he realizes that he needs all the help, all the power that he can get in order to defeat the Gun Devil. So he's here to fight alongside Denji and the rest of the crew and hopefully try to beat this. What's this? The Eternity Devil, I believe is what it's called. So we'll see how things unfold. Denji is now getting ready to face off against the Eternity Devil. He's jumping straight in, and he kind of has the mindset, if I die, at least everyone else gets out of here. But I think he's going in with the mindset that he can actually beat this thing. So, and of course, he's our main character, so he's not going to lose, right? So, well, he did die in episode 1, But with that being said, I'm ready to hop into it. So before we do that, just want to, as always, plug the Patreon. The link is in the description below. There you could check out the full early uncut reactions to many of the shows that we're watching here on the channel. So if you would like to, please check that out. It really means a lot to me. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, let's just hop into the episode. So we are watching episode 7. Let's go, Denji. Turn up. Ooh. Hear that OST? Ooh. No, bitch. Ooh. Hey. Oh, my man's going in. I mean, what did you expect? Yo, this shit look crazy. Oh. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, wait. Is his arm back to normal? I swear he just snapped his arm like a twig. He just snapped his shit up. Oh my gosh. They can see all this? Yep. So the retraction is the retraction of his chainsaw is a side effect of him losing too much blood. Oh my gosh, what a start to the episode. Oh my goodness. All right. None of y'all can help? Oh no. Oh. So he really is like a double then. If he's low on blood, he gets weaker and he needs blood to recover. But he clearly can't eat human blood. Okay, so he can eat devil blood though, and it works the same. eat human blood, drink human blood. Oh, who is this? Who is this? She has shorter hair. So this is more current, like after she met Aki. Okay, yeah. So she's already met Aki. Is it only public safety that's after the gun devil? Everything revolves around the gun devil now. Master. Master isn't just to her or to many devil hunters? The private sector, as in not working for public safety? Oh. Oh. What was with his neck right there? Oh, this is Himeno? Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. That Nobel Prize is mine. Don't let Power hear that. Okay, she look. Someone's interested in Denji now. They look so worn out. Oh, damn. He's just been fighting that thing for 3 days? Yo. Yo. Denji is crazy. Fucked with the wrong one. Oh, just like that, they're out of there. Like I just took a huge shit. That is a different feeling, though. What, are they scared? Well, Kobani's always scared, it seems like. Is this another flashback? Is this a flashback? Or is this after? Oh, okay, so this is after. Uh-oh. I wonder how that would be. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. His secret. The fact that he could turn into a devil or something else. Ooh. So they're trying to get Makima drunk now. I don't know. Makima's too scary, yo. I just wouldn't want anything to do with her. Speaking of, is she here? I didn't see her. What was that? Oh, that was Kobani. Kobe. We got a bunch of characters we haven't seen yet. Okay, so there are more fiends in public safety. Hey, stop playing games. Pochita. A little difference of opinions. Oh, he does too? Hi. Hold on. What did he call him? Hayaka? Hay Haya Captain. Oh, that's interesting. So Double can have contracts with more than one person. She's down bad. Oh, so she already has a contract with the devil. Denji is hilarious, man. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Makima turning up. Oh my gosh. Just asking straight up. Will she tell? Who knows? There goes the boobas. If you can outdrink me. What is going on here? Oh, you're done. Uh-oh. And Makima's probably not even phased. What is this? What is going on right now? Your advanced IQ? Power is so funny. Oh my gosh. Why does she look like that? Oh. The animation though. That's not a tongue. Ugh. We squaring up right now. Nah. The censorship though. Pochita's like, nah, we not doing that. That was disgusting. Pretty jealous. Hey, that's facts. What is Himeno after? I wonder if that was all on purpose. Where does she have this man? Oh. Oh, okay, Denji. Wait, no. She just made him take something now. Is she like just super turnt right now, or is she going? Is she playing some type of game right here? Does she not like Makima? She just jealous of Makima? Ma'am, this is a child? did she tell him? It's like, oh. What the heck is Himeno trying to do right now? Is she just super fucked up right now, or does she have some type of motive? Because we did see her conversation with Aki in the alleyway over the dead devil guts, that she believes Makima knows more than, than what she's letting on, and she wants to understand really what Denji is. And Aki just went out, outright and asked, what's up with this dude Denji here, man? We see so many gun devil flesh pieces coming together, and they're clearly and targeting Denji. What is up with him, and why are you interested? Didn't look like Aki outdrank her though to find out, so doesn't seem like we're gonna find out anytime soon either, unfortunately. But yeah, I can't tell if Himeno's just super fucked up right now, if she has some type of ulterior motive, if she doesn't like Makima. It just seems like there's a lot of things mixing around right now that's a little unclear, but we have a little bit of hits to kind of infer. So this was pretty interesting, but it seems like it's this episode, nothing too I mean, okay, so we got out of the hotel, we beat the Eternity Devil, and we were able to escape. We got a little bit more characters. I don't know how significant they will be. I don't know if they're part of Aki's unit per se, or if they're all... I really have to understand how this hierarchy works, because I don't know if Aki's unit is just the rookies, Himeno, Power, and Denji, or if it's all the people that went out for drinks at this party, or are they all under public safety? I really don't know how that whole dynamic, this hierarchy works, because one of the guys made a remark, are you not going to bring your fiend or something? So there's other fiends within public safety, it seems like. I don't know if they're all under Aki's group or not, though. It's what I'm basically trying to get at. So that'll be interesting to find out later on down the line. And yeah, what else? I mean, nothing crazy happened. This episode kind of gave vibes like a calm before the storm, and we kind of just got out of a storm per se, and it kind of calmed down with this whole party atmosphere going on, and just having the characters interacting with each other with nothing too serious happening. So we'll see how this transitions into the next arc, phase, whatever we're calling it, whatever we'll see next. So I'll be interested to see that, and interested to see ultimately what Himeno is doing here. Is she just super fucked up, white girl wasted, or is she just, I don't know. Is she planning something else right here? Who knows? That remains to be seen, and we'll just have to wait until the next episode. So but man, I can't wait for it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please leave a like, also comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Check out the Patreon if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in, and peace out.